If you're a coach, consultant, or creative who's struggling to fill up the pipeline whilst also delivering on client work, then this video is for you. I wanted to show you the top 3 ways you can stop trading time for money. Now I work less, I work on my own terms, and I earn more money. And I want to show you how you can do that too. Firstly, let's talk about over-delivering for clients. The first few clients I started working with made me feel amazing. I created bespoke plans for them, over-serviced, stayed overtime on calls. I even let them DM me at any time. Then after about 6 weeks, I realized this is not sustainable. And it also became clear pretty quickly that working only on a one-to-one basis had created a ceiling. I was limiting my time, my income, my reach, and my ability to scale. I could only handle a certain number of clients at any one time, and therefore my earning potential was limited. I was completely thrown out if a client cancelled last minute too. That's when someone suggested to me that a group program might be the way to go. Completely scalable, a mixture of group training, one-on-one training, and a load of resources and a community as well. So I put together my program, Content to Clients. Now I work less, I work on my own terms, and I earn more money. And I want to show you how you can do that too. Firstly, create a course or a resource bank. When you work in the coaching or the consulting space, you will repeat yourself a lot, especially around the tactical areas of your business. So one of the best things I did was create assets that I could use again and again and again. Not only does this save me time, I've got a load of lead magnets and a load of content pre-produced as well. But I didn't package them up and sell them as an evergreen course like loads of other people. I just used them to supplement the learning and the development of my clients who are in the program. Yes, I do use a course platform to host them, but when I was just starting out, I could have used Google Drive to host them for free. So consider doing that. But what are the steps you need to take to do this? Firstly, list out all the actions your client has to take to reach that desired outcome. Next, highlight the actions that are the same or almost the same for every client. Then write out the ways that you can deliver instructions for the client to complete that exercise and the best format to supply that in. Cheat sheet, workbook, audio, podcast, whatever it may be. Then choose a platform to host them on. Google Drive, KAJABI, Podia, Teachable, Thinkific, MemberBolt, there are loads out there. I actually use KAJABI, and if you want a free trial, I'll drop a link in the description below. But all these things are going to save you hours and hours, and once you've got that time saved, your business ultimately becomes more scalable. I hope you're enjoying the video, guys. I run an international consulting firm that helps coaches, consultants, and creatives win more clients using organic content on social. No paid funnels, no hashtag strategy nonsense. If that sounds like you and you want to build or scale your business using content on social, book yourself in for a free call with me on the link below. Back to the vid. Number 2, creating a blend of one-on-one and group coaching or training. Obviously, one of the main advantages of one-to-one training is that your time and focus is solely concentrated on one client at a time. But I also found it could mean that clients are obsessing over smaller, tactical, less strategic things that aren't necessarily going to help them move the needle. So the main advantage for a client to take part in a group program is for them to meet and to learn from other people in that community. A couple of weeks back, I had COVID, I had to cancel, unfortunately, one of my group sessions. When I returned, 4 of my clients had all arranged private Instagram lives with each other and taken it upon themselves without any instruction to go and practice these lives before going public. Now that wouldn't have happened had I only been working with one-to-one clients. A group or a community also acts as a support network too, and that's something one-on-one training just simply can't provide. Therefore, I recommend group coaching or a mixture of group and one-on-one coaching, depending on how focused you want to be and how much attention you want to deliver to your clients. Here's how you can do it. Number 1, work out the most suitable time to host group calls. If you work with international clients, consider a morning session and an evening session later in the week. Next, decide if a client actually needs one-on-one sessions with you. If they do, make sure they're focused around the big strategic pieces that a client needs to achieve before they get from A to B. I look at shaping your offer, how you can market it through content, and then I look at lead gen and closing. And lastly, choose a community platform that everyone can stay in contact with each other, clients, yourself, and your team. There are things like Slack, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram. I think Slack's the best, Discord probably second, but leave that up to you. They all offer free plans. And number 3, putting this into action. I recommend straight away just looking for the quick wins. To get this program off the ground, you need to look for people you can help quickly. So speak to your existing clients. Would they be interested in accessing you more frequently at a more cost-effective rate? You could run an early bird or push an incentive rate. So jump on your marketing or your social channels and let people know that you are running an early bird or an incentive rate for a limited period of time and try and get people to join that way. Or you could leverage your network. Offer a referral scheme, payments to people that are able to make introductions to potential clients for you as well. And the last sort of quick win is posting existing testimonials and results. Social proof is such a powerful form of marketing. You can boast without boasting, and don't shy away from posting and repurposing this type of content, this testimonial content, a couple of times a week. There's a lot of credibility in what other people have to say about you and your business. And look, I get it. Switching from a one-to-one model isn't easy, especially at the start. But if you follow those 3 steps, you'll be able to absolutely crush it. Just put yourself out there, you'll kill it in no time. As with everything though, it's all about testing and learning. Now, if you want to hear the top 20 lessons I learned from growing my Instagram audience to 20,000, click the video up there and you can check it out.